Todd, we've got cracks in the interior of our house. We want to deal with it from the inside with polyurethane injections. You've got fair warning about that.
I do, Chris. And the biggest thing that we have to worry about is that this urethane, more and more, what we're finding is that it's filling up the exterior weeping tile. The reason being is that the floor is 4 inches thick. If you can see this as a mock-up, the ports come down to the top of the basement floor. This area underneath that's filled with floor is all unrepaired. People are trying to drill and get this product down there. The weeping tile sits on the exterior face of the foundation wall. And what's happening is the product is coming and filling up the weeping tile, creating worse problems and more costly repairs for homeowners.
When it comes to your home, do it right and protect what matters most. Visit shieldfoundationrepair.ca.